BNB, we start with 1 hour chart. Just I want to give a quick update. After we get this down move following by this correction, we mentioned if the price continues as a corrective, we can expect the price to drop. That's why since the price was within this correction, we mentioned we can put a warrant trade above the top. And once the price sharply break and continue anyway, there was no opportunity. I mean, we didn't get the trade. And even if anyone, in any case, they get the trade when they see this kind of the correction, they shouldn't keep the trade. Because I mentioned if the price tag and this is not moving in our direction, we are not going to keep the trade more than 2 hours. But from what we have right now, that means we shouldn't be in this trade. And if anyone accidentally they get the trade by having entry above the top, it depends on the exchange they use. Right now, they have enough time to take out the trade in the break even they had. All right. And now once see what's the next. And if we move to daily chart, based on daily chart, right now we're looking at this correction. The only things we can expect may this correction tend to deep as what we have here. But anyway, the breakout of the previous stop, this is very important for us. That means any trade, as long as the price haven't break the previous stop within this range, based on lower time frame, we consider as a short-term trade. And we need to be really careful. But be the breakout of the previous stop, we're looking for the targets as 890 following by 1130. This is the targets as a long term we're looking for. And the only thing is how to look for trade. That's mean based on lower time frame. If we get any opportunity for buy, we'll take it. And right now we're looking at this correction relative to this. If I move to 1 hour chart, it will be more clear. That's mean right now we're looking at this one as a reversal following by this correction. No, the question is how to look for trade. Okay, but we don't have any trade setup at this point if we want to look for buy. If the price continue from here, the best thing is to see the breakout of the previous stop as a sharp move flag before we take the trade. But the best thing is if this one give us one more drop and this one turn to a flat as a 1, 2, 3. The reason is from there we can get the reversal in terms of the risk and reward. It can give us better trade setup rather than buying from here. Okay, if we get the correction from here, the only option is to put our entry above this correction, which is really risky. That's why I mentioned if the price continue from here, we prefer to see the breakout of the previous stop. Then after the breakout, based on 1 hour or lower time frame, we take the trade. This is the best. But if we get a correction, the price give us a correction here, then from there we should consider whether we put our entry above the top or not. But at this point, I won't suggest it because it's really risky. But the best thing is if this one turns to a deeper correction and we confirm with this one as a flat in relative to this, any trade for buy from there, we will take it. And the short-term targets, we can look for 651 following by 672. All right. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.